how to add BNB to Coinbase Wallet. So if you want to add BNB to Coinbase Wallet, it's actually quite a simple process, but remember, we're talking about the Coinbase Wallet app and not the Coinbase app itself. So for this, first of all, you launch the Coinbase Wallet app, and this is the type of interface that you should be able to see. Now from here, it says add crypto to get started. If you want, now you can also add BNB by buying BNB by just going to the buy option right here, then simply selecting your network. You can choose all network or base or other networks in this case, and simply search for BNB and choose to buy it. Or you can just tap on the add crypto button manually. Then again, you can just go ahead and then try to add it. Now another way you can add is by simply receiving crypto. So you can tap on this swap like arrow icon from the center, tap on receive. Then here you can simply search for BNB and just try to tap on other assets and just copy the address to be able to add BNB inside your Coinbase wallet. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.